Hey, welcome guys. In this video I'm going to teach you how to print from your Android phone or tablet to your printer. Now I know it sounds kind of silly for a lot of people, but let's face it, a lot of people do use their Android phone or tablet more often than they use a computer, and in a tight spot when you don't have a lot of time to turn on your computer and print out your boarding pass or whatever it may be, this is the perfect solution for you. Okay, so keep in mind that the steps I'm going to show you do vary from Android device and Android version because, well, they tend to differ across devices and Android versions, but the concept is pretty much the same. First thing you want to do is go to your system settings menu. Now, the easiest method to do that is to drag down your notification bar, and you have this little gear icon. In some phones you might have to swipe down a second time to reveal that button. Once you do that, you're in your phone system's menu. Now the easiest thing to do, because this is where a lot of it will differ depending on your Android device, finding your printers, is actually hit this magnifying icon right here at the top right, and just simply start typing print. As you can see, one of the search results is printing, so you tap on that, and this is the option you get. Now I do have one from Samsung built in because I am using the Galaxy Note 5, but there's a more universal method approach to this. So in my option, I'm going to hit download plugin. And it's take me straight to the Google Play Store where it gives the recommended printing apps. So you'll notice that there's some manufacturers here. So I'm using a Brother printer, so there's a Brother option here. If you have an HP, then there's an HP option, and so on and so forth. Now the most universal method is actually Google Cloud Print. This is an app designed by Google in which they take a whole bunch of drivers from a lot of different printing manufacturers and put it into one single app. So you can download your manufacturer's printing app, but in this case I'm just going to use Google Cloud Print as an example. Make sure that the service is turned on. You're going to tap on it, and you want to also make sure that your printer is connected to your Wi-Fi network or Ethernet. So that's a really important point here. If by some chance your printer does not support connectivity to your network through an Ethernet cable or Wi-Fi, there are other apps you can download from the Google Play Store, third-party apps, but they're not that stable. So if your printer doesn't have that option, it's most likely because it's an older printer, or it's more of a industrial-sized printer, which is not really exactly designed for this method. So don't make the same silly mistake I did. Make sure you are connected to your Wi-Fi network and not in your mobile data plan. So on the Cloud Print service, what you're going to do is hit the three-dot button menu at the top right, hit Add Printer, and it'll search your Wi-Fi network for any printers. Now I am getting some weird errors that it thinks I'm not connected to Wi-Fi at all, so what I did was go back to the Google Play Store after hitting download plugin. I downloaded the Brother printer driver for your Android device because it actually works better. So if I tap on that, it'll start automatically searching for a printer, and it found my printer. So if I wanted to print a website, for example, while I'm in Google Chrome, all I have to do is hit the three-dot menu, share, print, and you get a whole bunch of printing options here at the top. So what I want to do is choose my destination. By default, it allowed you to save the page as a PDF, kind of like Google Chrome on a desktop computer. But if I choose my printer, for example, I'm not just going to print it off just now. I can actually choose a lot of options here. So if I tap this, let's say I don't want to print all 4 pages of the web page, I can select arrange. Maybe I want to print the first page of the web page. You have a whole bunch of options just like you would on a Google Chrome web browser on your desktop computer. Hit the print button, it gives you a warning it's going to go through a whole bunch of servers to communicate, just accept it and you're good to go. And the concept remains pretty much anywhere else on the phone. Let's say I'm in my gallery and I want to print this funny picture. All I have to do is get the menu up here, up and running, hit the three-dot menu, print, and again you get the exact same options on how you want to print it, what orientation and all that jazz. So that's pretty much how you print from an Android phone or tablet to a printer. Hope you guys did find this video useful. If you did, be sure to check out my Facebook, Google+, Twitter, and Instagram links in the video description. Hit that like button, it does help. Subscribe, and thanks for watching.